This video is on those who are preparing for NEET PG but you are starting from scratch. First of all, you need to know the marks weightage of subjects in NEET PG. It is more or less constant throughout the years. Depending on this only, you can adjust your timetable that how much time you should dedicate to which subject. The maximum weightage subjects are the biochemistry, pharmacology, pathology, microbiology, FMT, community medicine. Community medicine is asked more of common sense based than from the notes. So it is a haywire type of question in the NEET PG. Then comes the medicine, surgery, and OBGY. These are the hotspot topics and subjects from which majority of the questions are asked in NEET PG. Coming to tentative date, because you need to know a tentative date, according to that only you can prepare. According to me, if you ask me, this is not any official source. I think it will be on 14th of June or after that, not before that. Because see, all the counselings are going on and state round will be ending on February, in the month of February. So at least they need some bit of time. They can't schedule it on the March. So I think the schedule will be on 14th or after 14th of June. So you have 180 days in hand. Now I will discuss how to utilize this 180 days, how much should be your number of corrects in your GTs, how you should revise from the starting. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू शुड हैव अ रियलिस्टिक एक्सपेक्टेशन कि अभी मैं स्क्रैच से शुरू कर रहा हूँ तो मेरे को टॉप 100 टॉप 200 रैंक तो नहीं आएंगे. Depends on your base of your all the 19 subjects of your MBBS. You can expect a rank between 2k to 20k depending on the base you are having, because base is essential for clearing the concepts. I can assure you that you can get this range of rank if you give your 100% during this 180 days of preparation and during the day of the exam. I can assure you this. So 180 days I am dividing into first 50 days. Pick any rapid revision source. I am not suggesting BTR because its strike rate is a bit less, 120 to 130. I will like to advise you to stick to a rapid revision source. If you can combine with that of BTR in this limited amount of time, then congratulations, you are going to get a better rank. But if you are in a shortage of time because only 180 days are left, so you can pick any rapid revision source, be it PrepLadder, be it Marrow, and their different subject faculties teach and they are in a conceptual way. As I have told in my previous video that nowadays more and more of conceptual based questions are asked in the NEET PG. So you need to have your concepts clear. That could be cleared by the rapid revision sources. And from those sources, you can expect 140 to 150 questions strike rate. Now the rapid revision source have 200 hours lecture. Take a printed notes. Don't try to do handwritten notes. It will take a lot of time. Take the printed notes and study 4 hours lectures daily at 1.5 or 1.25x speed. Study 4 hours of lectures. Rest 6 hours of the day you give on revision of the notes that you are seeing the videos. You are watching the videos and on that day itself you revise the notes so that your first reading will be completed. And 1 hour you give to custom modules. You can use hashtag of aims, recent NEET, image based and clinical. Because this is an MCQ based exam, you need to know the art of solving MCQs. So तुमको MCQs practice करने ही पड़ेंगे. You can do your own custom modules or you can join my pro group. There you will get link to custom modules every day. So the link is given in the description box below. Now 50 दिन चले गए, हम लोगों के पास है 130 days. In these 80 days you can plan your revision like this. Anatomy I have discussed in the previous video also. You can take a screenshot or else you can join my Telegram channel. The link is given in the description box below and you will get the PDF like this. The revision schedule is been designed and you will complete the revision in 47 days, 5 days or 8 days you will give GTs and you will review it. 55 days, 25 days buffer, you can use this extra 25 days in your revision according to the subjects you are weak in. And what you have to do in this period of time, that you will have to highlight the NEET PG previous year topics, the past 10 years topics in your notes, so that you revise it the next time, you focus on the previous year topics, because previous year topics से ही ज़्यादातर questions नीट पीजी में आते हैं. You can purchase my NEET PG 10 years previous year topic list. The link is given in the description box below and pinned comment section. So previous year in NEET PG 2025, from my topic list, the strike rate was 124. In these 80 days, your time schedule should be like this. 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. you will be reading. 9 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. you will have breakfast. 9:30 to 10:30 you will have previous year questions and MCQs you will solve 100 per day. In 10:30 to 12:30 you will revise, you will review the explanations and annotate in your main notes like this. You will highlight that and you will mention the year it has come, so that you can understand the number of repetition it has come, and every time you revise from the notes you will get to know the important previous year topics, ताकि तुम्हारा previous year topics एकदम नाखूनों के ऊपर हो जाए. ठीक है, on your fingertips. Then 12:30 to 1:30 you will be reading, then another break. 3 to 5:30 another reading. 6:30 to 7 custom modules. You can join my pro group for that, or you can use the recent NEET AIMS image based clinical. Another hashtag this time is drug of choice, so that you are exposed to novel questions. 7 to 10:30 again reading, and 11 to 11:30 revision of the previous day subject what you have read. Coming to grand tests are the most important tool of assessment of your preparation, and also it is a learning tool to learn from your mistakes. So in this aspect, Marrow is the only platform that gives authentic grand test with authentic solutions, and it has the maximum number of test takers. And one or two grand tests you can give from PrepLadder or Doc Tutorials. Grand tests are also good to prevent the marrow bias, because एक ही question or similar kind of questions and the same images are used in marrow, so that questions won't come in the NEET PG real life exam scenario. So to prevent the marrow bias, क्योंकि सेम इमेजेस देखने से तुम्हारा टेंडेंसी होगा कि तुम ज़्यादा ठीक करोगे, बट इन द एग्ज़ाम देयर विल बी नॉन क्लासिकल इमेजेस. सो उस मैरो बायस को प्रिवेंट करने के लिए यू कैन डू फ्रॉम पेपलैडर और डॉक ट्यूटोरियल्स ग्रैंड टेस्ट. Coming to NEET PG 2025 marks versus AIR, so that you can set your target that कितना तक मेरे को पहुंचना पड़ेगा in my last GT, so that I can get my dream branch. 665 AIR was in top 100, 611 scored 2000, 591 4000, 583 5000, 555 10,000. Then the clustering happened. 533 15,000 and 515 score 20,000. Now in your last GTs you can have a target of 20 marks less, because usually in the real exam of NEET PG your marks tends to increase compared to the last GT. So 20 marks less पकड़ के चल सकते हो. पहले तो GT में बहुत ही खराब स्कोर आएगा, 200 300 ऐसे करके आएगा. You don't have to be demotivated. What you have to do, you have to utilize it as a learning tool. Now I used to review with my friend. He used to give me some good insights and I used to give him some good insights. So हम दोनों का एक गो कंबाइंड अप्रोच रहता था. टाइम ज़्यादा लगता था, बट क्या होता था, मेरे को उससे कुछ सीखने को मिलता था, उसको मुझसे कुछ सीखने को मिलता था. सो एक गो कॉमन सन रिलेशनशिप इन लर्निंग था. Or else if you are not having any study partner, then you can review yourself. First you have to see what are the wrong ones, then the left ones, then the guessed correct ones. These are important because you are guessing them and you are making them correct, but on the subsequent times you may not make them correct. Number 4 is the correct ones. Another important thing that you should keep a GT performance table. Date देना पड़ेगा, GT number, number of corrects, number of incorrects, marks, percentile. You can also add a column of silly mistakes in this table. By this, you can see your GT progression, how many silly mistakes you are making, how many guess corrects you are making, what is the percentile. Your target percentile should be 85 to 95 परसेंटाइल. ठीक है, अगर टॉप 2 के रैंक चाहिए तो फिर 95 परसेंटाइल, अगर टॉप 20 के रैंक चाहिए तो फिर 80 परसेंटाइल से भी हो जाएगा. So your target should be in between 80 to 95 percentile in all of the GTs. पहले का GTs में तो 60 70 ऐसे करके परसेंटाइल आएगा, तुमको धीरे धीरे बढ़ाना पड़ेगा. 20th notebook, you should keep volatile previous year topics in your 20th notebook, nothing else than previous year topics. ठीक है, स्कोरिंग हो गया, सी ए पी स्कोरिंग, मेल्ट स्कोर, पेल्ट स्कोर, QSOFA, everything which is volatile for you, you keep it in your 20th notebook. And MCQs, you have to practice at least of NEET PG 5 years. Better if you can practice 8 years. At least 3 years of INICT. Better if you can practice 8 years. And at least 3 years of FMG, because FMG से बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस नीट पीजी में कॉमन आते हैं. एंड इस साल का FMG 2025 का सेशन से 50% of the topics were common in the NEET PG. 10 to 15 questions direct same repeats आए थे. So FMG is a vital exam, and as it is being conducted by the same board, that is the NBE, you should also practice past 3 years of FMG questions. And for the MCQs, you should use authentic apps like Marrow or PrepLadder. No other app is that much authentic because वहाँ का explanation बहुत ही important होता है. And annotate the extra points from the explanation in your rapid revision notes. तो फिर तुम्हारा रैपिड रिविजन नोट्स का स्ट्राइक रेट 150 टू 160 क्वेश्चंस हो जाएगा. 10 से 20 क्वेश्चंस तो तुम्हारा कॉमन सेंस से होता है, एंड बाकी क्वेश्चंस प्रीवियस ईयर का नॉलेज से होता है. So like this you can attempt a good amount of questions and you can get into the top 1000 or 2000 rank also. With getting a 611 marks, you can get into top 2000 rank also. Coming to the next 40 days, in this you will have to complete the revision in half of the time. Give 5 grand tests. Grand test का number बढ़ाना पड़ेगा. This time you will have to improve your GT score, and you will have to funnel down the bookmark previous year questions. The previous year questions that you are coming across are difficult. You have to bookmark them, and इस time में उनको funnel down करना पड़ेगा. मतलब you will have to review them. Once you have memorized that previous year question or you have annotated them in your revision notes, then you have to unbookmark that question. So पहले अगर 800 को बुक मार्क्स होगा, उसके बाद एक को रिव्यू के बाद 200 बुक मार्क्स होगा, देन आफ्टर दैट 100 बुक मार्क्स होगा, ऑन द डे ऑफ द एग्जाम 50 बुक मार्क्स होगा, एंड गाड़ी में जाते जाते वो वाला 50 क्वेश्चंस देखते हुए जाना. दिस इज़ अ वेरी एसेंशियल स्टेप ऑफ प्रिपरेशन, बिकॉज सब लोग बुक मार्क करके रख देते हैं बट उसको रिव्यू नहीं करते हैं. इफ़ यू आर नॉट रिव्यूइंग दैट एंड द सेम क्वेश्चन कम्स, देन यू आर गोइंग टू मिस इट गाइस. And revise the 20th notebook. In the last 10 days, what you will do is that you will focus only and only on the previous year topics. From my NEET PG past 10 years question papers, you have annotated all the topics. You will have to revise those only, because from that only you can get 120 to 150 questions in common. And the other annotated stuff you have collected from solving the previous year questions. You will have to see the 20th notebook and the final bookmark previous year questions, and no GTs in the last 20 days. Do join my WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel. Link is given in the description box below. It is for your NEET PG, INICT and FMG preparation. Now jate jate question of the day. You can see the histopathological image. It is related to the subject of dermatology. What is the diagnosis? Do let me know in the comment section below. I will try to give heart reacts to all of you have given the answer correctly. Now you can see the video on how to prepare for NEET PG and INICT, and what is the branch wise and category wise cutoff of round 1 of NEET PG. All the best for your preparation.